You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to wish Happy New Year in Chinese. How do you pronounce this greeting from China? If you want to wish somebody a Happy New Year, a celebration, you have the phonetic spelling and the Chinese spelling on your screen right now. 新年快乐，新年快乐，新年快乐。Happy New Year in Chinese, the pronunciation, how to say Happy New Year in Mandarin. 新年快乐。Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.